trimming Lucky's nails.
First time.
Yeah, first time ever. So this is how we get them used to it from a young age. Yeah. And I find that if I distract the cat, as you can see now I'm tickling her a little bit, just to take her mind off of what's happening to her nails. Just a little tickle. And I've got one hand holding the camera and one hand holding Lucky. So this is first time nail trim. Oh, there'll be many more nail trims, and one day she'll be a big girl. It'll take many hands. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, she doesn't know what's happening. Okay, put the camera here. I need 2 hands. Here we go. There we go, this will be better. Let's concentrate on what we're doing. Mummy's come to watch. Look, Vanity's over there. She's come to say hi. This is better.
Can't trim. Look.
I think Vanity's going to come and see. What are you doing to my baby? She smells very nice. It's okay. Trim, trim, trim.
Oh, this thumb, this side.
Okay.
Done. Done.
All done. You was a very, very good girl.
Clean.
Say hi. Hi. Okay. Let her go off to do her thing now. What she wants to do. Whatever that may be.